Hey friends, what's up, Wagwan? It is a privilege to be recording. As you all may heard, we have just experienced this terrible storm, Melissa. She has such a beautiful name, but Melissa is a really bad. Melissa came to Jamaica around last week or week before. Tuesday, I think. Correct me in the comment section if I'm wrong. And Melissa did her damage and left. I am still in shock, and this is because I did not believe that Hurricane Melissa was actually coming to Jamaica. And she made her landfall, and she did her job, and she left. People, the place mash up. I heard this is the wickedest storm that ever come across Jamaica. No Gilbert. I wasn't around when Gilbert had happened, so I really do not. I cannot speak about that. Um, Burial. Burial did her thing, but it wasn't bad. But Melissa, I am still in shock, as I said before, because I was not expecting Melissa to do what she did. And till I've lost, if not more. I am still without current, without internet, and I'm Clarendon. And in the beginning, when I just heard about the storm, it was coming directly to Clarendon, and I am from Clarendon, and I was worrying. When I heard it has shift a bit, I I was feeling good, even though I had some doubt that it wasn't coming any at all, but it did come, and it mashed up a place. I saw some clips, because as I said before, I am still without light and internet, so I am unable to see. I'm using data now, and the data is not as equipped as the other thing that I always use. The data only pick up when it feels to pick up. So as I was saying, I saw some clips, and what I saw, it wasn't nice. Persons lost their life, persons lost their home, persons lost their farms. I'm still in shock. Down in the western side of Jamaica, Hurricane Melissa had done a lot of damage down there. Lot of damage. She tear up the place wicked. She tear up the place wicked. Honestly, and I really feel so bad for those persons who have to start over, start from scratch. My heart is with you guys. I am so sorry. I wish I could help, but I am praying for your recovery, speed recovery, and you get the help that you all deserve. Um, I cannot say rest in peace to those who died, or to the family members who lost somebody, because at this point, rest in peace is not enough. That is not enough. You cannot say rest in peace at this time. I do not know what to say. Only thing I can say, my heart is with you. My heart is with you, and I am praying for your strength, that God give you the strength and you can move forward. This is such a bad time, moment, and I really do not know what to say. And all the focus is down that side now, but I can guarantee you some persons in other parish, they have experienced Melissa as bad too, and there is nobody there to help them, because all focus is on St. Elizabeth, Westmoreland, so on and so forth. I I really don't know what to say, honestly. I do not have the words right now to say, but I when I saw those clippings, I felt as if I would cry out. I am so sorry, guys. I am so sorry. Where I live in Clarendon, and houses, I saw where persons lost their house tops, road break off, and farm damage. But that is not bad comparing to no life was lost. Thanks be to God. Um, it's really terrible. It's really bad. Really, really bad. If you are watching me and you can donate to persons, please go ahead and do so. There are some links that the government put out where you can go and donate whatsoever you want to donate, or probably you can drive down to those parish and bring some items to them. I don't know, but yes, if you are here watching me and you can help in any small way possible, just go ahead and do so. Or you do not have to go down there. Help somebody in your community, because as I said before, persons in other communities are in need of help. Yes, in need of help. But because the focus is down that side, nobody seems to care about the persons in other communities. So you can help your neighbor, help your cousins, help your sister, help your brother, help your friend, help your neighbor, help persons that is around you that need the help, and let us build back Jamaica in the fastest possible way we can. Okay? Yes. Um hope I'm not sure when I'll be receiving the light and the internet, but as soon as I get them back, I will be back on my regular programming. Yes. So this is it for now. Stay safe. Help who you can help. Be kind. You might never know what somebody's going through mentally. And yeah, until then, go and pick up on yourself. Bye.
Ay nanti bilang ko dati galong ko na to straight. Na to.